Want to stay motivated and keep track of your step goals? Your Galaxy Watch 6 can send you step notification so you never miss a milestone. And the best part is you can easily enable it using the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the Galaxy Wearable app. Here's how to do so. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Go to the app screen. Find Wearable app. And then tap it. Tap Watch Setting. Next, tap Help. Under General section, tap Notification. And then tap the gray on-off switch next to Steps until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Once you have enabled step notification, your watch will notify you every time you reach the step target you have set in the Samsung Health app. Whether you are aiming for 5,000 or 10,000 steps, you will get that extra boost to keep going. And that's it. Step notifications are a simple yet effective way to keep you on track and motivated, all controlled right from the Wearable app on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. So it's a great tool for anyone looking to stay active and reach their health goals. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.